Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting bubble solution. To begin, you will need a few key ingredients. Start with 6 parts distilled water, 1 part dish soap, and 1/2 part glycerin or light corn syrup. These simple components are the foundation for creating bubbles that truly endure. Measuring accurately is crucial for achieving the best possible results. The secret to long-lasting bubbles lies in adding glycerin or light corn syrup. These ingredients act as humectants, drawing moisture from the air and slowing down evaporation. This creates a thicker, more resilient bubble film that can withstand environmental factors much better. For every 10 parts of water, incorporate 1 part of this special additive. When mixing your solution, be gentle to avoid creating too much foam. Excessive suds can actually weaken the bubble film. After mixing, it is vital to let your solution rest. A resting period of at least 12 to 24 hours allows the ingredients to fully integrate, resulting in a much stronger and more consistent bubble solution. For the best results, choose a high-quality dish soap without harsh degreasers. These can break down the bubble film too quickly. Store your finished bubble solution in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. It can last for several months. Don't be afraid to experiment with slightly different ratios to discover your perfect, long-lasting bubble formula.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.